Yo, G2G. G2G, what's up? G2G, what's up? Okay, so what's up, guys? Welcome today. Another G2G Friday. We're doing it again. Yes, another day, another Friday. G2G Friday. We up. G2G Friday. We up. So, okay, here's the thing, guys. Today hasn't been a fun day for me, but I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this one. So we managed to release one of the awaited tracks, Lock and Key, featuring Philly, and it's a nice tune. It's a nice tune. You ought to check it out. So there's a Ganimbo player, guys. As I wind up on this one, let me play it down featuring Philly. Are you ready? From bottom. Are you ready? Are you ready? I got to go pay, guys. Ngoma irima one.
A typical Philly.
I'm sure I had it last stream, but my one.
Down. Mukationa chakamechesa iketulu nemachisa mana andipegesa motodedza machisamba lokenki isutiri lokenki na bebi tinenge tiri lokenki muchazvona asiya muzvitwi kadresingete kuti vapidze lokenki isutiri lokenki muchazvona asiya muzvitwi kadresingete kuti vapidze lokenki isutiri lokenki
Ndagoda wandipengeza, ruga wako wandipekeza, hakuna mumwe wanodisisa, wandipindikiza iwe wandinakiza. I'm the look at the key with the pepper feet, yeah. Unondiba mazirudobo, Greta sekunienda wina loto, andiveda kakusia nono.
muchazvona asiya muzvitwi kadresingete kuti vapidze lokenki isotiri lokenki muchazvona asiya muzvitwi kadresingete kuti vapidze lokenki isotiri lokenki bebi ngatimbovape shungu stera redu isu riri tuku togara takapeya kunge bluetooth everyday looking so new love yanonipa iri too good vamwe vese ava vana clue you are the best of the best baby you are the best from the rest let me tell him now tobuda saira tobuda gogo tichipanana mazirudogo vari kukuchiya vanhu hogo basi usiya zvimamitas munenge makuda kupita if you touch my baby baby uri hot semandex asi vese ava kulumiso uchazvona asiya muzvitwi kadresingete kuti vapidze lokenki isutiri lokenki muchazvona asiya muzvitwi kadresingete kuti vapidze lokenki isutiri lokenki
Okay, so what's up, guys? If you get in touch, if you get to this stream, just make sure you comment your name in the chat so that I make a big shout out to you for showing up because hey, aningatobatika, it means you are family. Okay, so here's the catch, guys. This song is called Lock and Key, and I made it with a picture of my couple goals. Thing about couple goals is it's like especially back in 2024 2025 ndopaza chipisa zvemacouple goals. So like I've had this idea of couple t-shirts umwane loco, umwane key, umaganzi king, umaganzi queen. So that's the thing, guys. Lock and key, it's our song. Lock and key, our song. Name a couples. So name a couple goes and when I was doing my t-shirts, and was doing my couple goes, my picnics. So that's the thing. Lock and key. It's a nice tune. You should check it out. It's only available on YouTube right now, so you ought to check it out on YouTube. It will be out on all DSPs on Tuesday, Wednesday, I guess. So, guys, this is a nice tune. You should listen to this tune. It's a nice tune, especially Patia Delphi. Mawan. Patia Delphi Mawan. So, today I've heard this guy tell me this thing. He said, supporting from blues and supporting from blues. He was saying,
A typical Philly.
okay, so
Down.
okay, check out this tune. He was saying supporting from blues. And I remember you with your freestyler in those mukakebin, so kataitika tuck shop. She's the shopkeeper. So like he was noting the progress we have. You go record my songs, you go release my songs. And thank you for the support, guys. Support from all the way from Blawayo. We got support all the way from UK, all the way from South Africa. All of you guys, thank you for supporting this movement. In music, it's only because of you. It's only because of you. So thank you for supporting the movement. And we're still on our album Garden Boy. Today, if you checked out on my socials, Deon Fiogs Troll on TikTok, then Deon Fiogs Troll on Facebook. I posted this album that I have. It's an album for those who are in love or who want to be in love or who love love songs, Afro songs. That's the thing. So it's Garden Boy. Last week I should check on the last stream what we said Garden Boy is, and it's a nice concept. So guys, a Tuto Fambani album. Right now I've released the 4 songs. Today marks one of the release, Lock and Key, and next week another song. Next week another song. Water for release it is. So make sure you check it out. Don't be left out on these songs. So today, guys, I'm really, really very low, and I just hope I found you well. For those who just joined the stream, you can just comment your name so that I make shout outs to you. Thanks for joining the stream. Thank you, guys. I see you. I see you. Thank you for the support. So we're doing Lock and Key today. Lock and Key, my couples. I'll play it again from top to bottom.
A typical Philly.
Down. Mukationa takamichisa ipeturu nemachisa mana andipengesa motodedza machisamba lock and key isu tiri lock and key na baby tinenge tiri lock and key muchazvona asi hamuzvidyi kadressing ndenge kuti vapfidze lock and key isu tiri lock and key muchazvona asi hamuzvidyi kadressing ndenge kuti vapfidze lock and key isu tiri lock and key.
Mini ndanoda wandipengesa rudo wako wandipekeza akuna mumwe wandodisisa wandibilibiza iwe wandinakita I'm the lock of the key with the perfect fit yeah unojiba mazirudobo doita sekungenda wina loto andiveda kakusia nono
muchazvona asi hamuzvidyi kadressing ndenge kuti vapfidze lock and key isu tiri lock and key muchazvona asi hamuzvidi kadresingeke kuti vapfidze lokeki isu tiri lokeki bebi ngatimbovape shungu staya redu isu riri tuku togara takapeya kunge bluetooth everyday looking so new love yanonipa iri tugutu vamwe vese ava vana clue you are the best of the best baby you are the best from the rest let me tell him now tobuda sainga tobuda bubu tichipanana mazirudo huku vari kukuchiva vanhu huku but still siye zvimwe mitas munenge makuda kupita if you touch my baby onerai muri kure musamugume baby uri hot semandex asi vese havakulume so uchazvona asi hamuzvidi kadressing ndeke kuti vapfidze lokeki isu tiri lokeki muchazvona asi hamuzvidi kadressing ndeke kuti vapfidze lokeki isu tiri lokeki
So guys, I've played this one. It's now for the third time. So thank you for being there. Thank you for showing up. For those who just showed up. And okay, so we are left with only I think 4 other songs. First one to be released being Sexira, the third one being Gold Digger, the fourth one, so the third one being Tender Love, then SFG. So guys, make sure you're following this one. You're following this because I want to take you on a journey, a journey with the Garden Boy. So this is the thing, a journey with the Garden Boy. So far, per 4 Amboboda, we made progress. Today, we have Ndenya on 400 plus views after only, I don't know, 4 or 5 days of release, of being live. So thank you guys for that support because I wouldn't do it on my own. I wouldn't pull up 400 views on my own. You see. So one thing, thank you for showing your support. Thank you for being there. And shout out to Skillful, who I collaborated with on this track, Ndenya. And shout out also to Delphi, who I collaborated with on Lock and Key. Aribofuti on another track, SFG. And Skillful Aribofuti on another track, Gold Digger. So, like this, Ufamba. And you know, if you check out on Skillful, Arukuto pieces on my match. Arikupisa nekasonga yake kuti kera kanzi inzwai bro. So guys, we are making progress. We are moving. Teamwork. I'm collaborating, and also I'm working with different artists, different producers. Tender Love, we had it remade with this producer, Kipoman. So yeah, pakaipa mawana ari kubuda ipapo. Tender Love yakatozoitwa zvihombe. And on this one, Lock and Key Rasnika ndiye akabata basa. And zvikunakidza. So I would love for my dancers kuti ambopindira kana kamwe challenge kamwe kakaipa, but I'll try to make up a routine myself so that zvinakidze, because mama toda tomboita Lock and Key challenges, most probably for couples. So gara watsvaga partner make sure you have a partner, guys. And because for this challenge, you don't need you and your partner so that it'll work. And I would love to say this. We've got another track with the Joe Boy, Ronzi Sexiras. Ragaipa. Sexira is a nice tune. It's a very nice tune. So I would love you guys just to wait patiently, because next week we are dropping Sexira. Next week, but one we're dropping Gold Digger. The other week, Tender Love. The other one SFG, guys, is going busy, is going bananas. So, thank you. So that's the thing. The album Rarotopia, guys. In the meme, one out the which of these songs are released before is your favorite? Because Tatopedza the first half, Ramamaj, first half of this album is already released. So we must do my votes, guys, with the Yakaipa JJ and the G2G family. We've got a G2G group. Zvamboita mavhotsi toona kuti vanhu vari kunyatsofarira track rip and track iro ramunenge mafarira, guys, tobva taripromota, tobva tarimaketa, tobva tariitira kana video. That will be nice coming from you guys as family, so thank you for being there and thank you for your votes in advance. So guys, today handina zvakawanda zvekunyanyotaura, but I just want to appreciate people for being there in this music career. I've heard this other creator shout out, you know, your friends, your family, they might not support you, they might not know where you're trying to go, like they might not understand your vision, but uh it's good for me. I've got these the real ones ndopa zvakabvira kuti the real ones who are willing to listen, to pay an attentive ear, kuti vanzwe kuti mukomana ari kuda kumboti chii, ari kuimba kuti chii, and support iyoyo ma1 TikTok. We've got a recent video rakachimboita kakunakidza vanhu, so it had around 44 likes, 394 views, and it's a big milestone for me because people liked the way yarakaitwa. It was my family vachinakidzwa nesong Ndaperera Murudo. Shout out to Ndaperera Murudo. You should go check it out, guys, because mabviravira. So now let's try to do a recap of our album, since it is the halfway through. So takutanga from top to bottom, like kutangira pana Ndaperera Murudo, guys, muchimbofila, and I would need your votes, guys. I would need your votes on this one, so make sure you listen attentively from Ndaperera Murudo kusvika pane the latest release. So here we go.
The real one. Tell me if you dance in a maricina cheese. Would you still love me this way? Uno dining or no that dream. I wanna hear you say, Tiny throw you mubuku. Tiny see a bit in my suit. Would you love me the same? Baby, I don't wanna play. No. Would you be there cause you got the same? In my heart is getting deep. Runo deeper. Akandira panosquera ndakabipa. Akuposta mapicture pa Insta. Kati ndipunze zvitana kifa. Tell me unondida here. Kana utindida zvefe. Karamumu anda kupatea. Indapinda nemoyo. Ndaperera Murudo. Indapinda nemoyo. Ndaperera Murudo. Ndapinda nemoyo. Ndaperera Murudo. Indapinda nemoyo. Ndopunda wakazviona kupi zvanombondita so zvekundipa rudo nozvigona futi. I just wanna be sure. Girl, I'm tired of these things. I hope this love you mean it. My games, you know. Thinking kura seto tears, you know. Mumoyo ndakuvhurira to wangu mazuva no love iri risky. Unotazvipira zvadhakwa zvamwiswa whisky. Listen, I don't wanna let you go. Uye ndikupe gangster love. Indapinda nemoyo. Ndaperera Murudo. Indapinda nemoyo. Ndaperera Murudo. Ndapinda nemoyo. Ndaperera Murudo. This is nice. Ndapinda nemoyo. Would you love me the same? Baby, I don't wanna play, no. Would you be there cause you got the same? In my heart is getting deep. Runo runondipa akandiramba ndoswera ndakabhimba akuposta mapicha painsta kuti ndifunge zvichanakidza zombi unondida here kana kuti ndida zvife gara mumora ndakupateya ini ndapinda nemoyo ndaperera murudo ini ndapinda nemoyo ndaperera murudo. So guys, we should check it out, the Perera Murudo, guys. We should stream the Perera Murudo Shape out. The real one.
You should stream the Perera Murudo, guys, because it's a nice tune. This one, it has a story, but we'll check it out on one of the days. It's a nice story though. So go with me far, Garden Boy. Okay, I'm taking you on a journey, right? So right now another second tune, Nobody. Avichacheukira nobody. Girl, I love you. Anyway, let's go.
Kepperman on the beat.
Avichacheukira nobody. Girl, I love your body. Oh my God, OMG. Tell me, really to this quarantine. As long as I say just as she fine. She promised to show me paradise. Kana oganisi endo paradise. Uzanisi andirindeka. Uzanisi andirindeka. Uzanisi andirindeka. Ndirindeka. Uzanisi andirindeka. Uzanisi andirindeka. Uzanisi andirindeka. Truth be told, I want you till we grow old. Nizembere pa shoulder, aiwa, wakosha kupura gold. Nide now, nisadu now celebrate. Chimona zioni pa celebrate. Okay, guys, okay. So, sorry for this one. Anzi did now understand our celebrate. Chimona zioni pa shit. And the Nike is on this part. Okay, so we are going to the next tune. You should make sure you stream this one. It's available on every platform, same as in the Perera Murudo, because it's Akaboda, this one. It's Akaboda. So we're going to the next tune, guys. And our next tune is guess. Our next tune is one and only Ndenya. Okay, so let me play Ndenya for you guys. It's just that Ndenya, where are you? Come on, I didn't add this to a playlist, but Irimo Ndenya, because I'm going to play it right now. Ndenya mwana uri Ndenya iwe. Walifungisa makari ndichikuda zvino. Ndoti imba maizenya iro. Designer kuchena wakazadza mumachino. Baby uri Ndenya iwe. Okay, so guys, are you ready for Ndenya? Date come. Sorry for the hit maker. Ndenya iro. Tiro uri Ndenya iwe. Kana mugaramba muchifamba muchidaro ayo. Musoro unotenderera. Baby uyo. Ndochawe kudiniko. Ona zvakadengezera. Mwana uri Ndenya iwe. Wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvino. Kutimba maizenya iro. Designer kuchena wakazadza mumachino. Baby uri Ndenya iwe. Wandifungisa makare ndichikuda zvino. Kutimba maizenya iro. Designer kuchena wakazadza mumachino. Baby uri Zenya iwe. Pama uri Ndenya iwe. Baby ndati uri Zenya iwe. Pama uri Ndenya iwe. Ndati uri Zenya iwe. Pama uri Zenya iwe. Baby ndati uri Zenya iwe. Uri Zenya iwe.
igwachi izenya mwana uyimbama asi chibage pamwe ndiye atorifama chishuwo changu kumbomuonawo akashama mukanwa chikwesha mazino skin tight mahips kuzofitwa nembambamba skin chocolate anofita nimjama selaini rekuzvitupa chiri kupindurana noma blue chips chiri kupindurana anofona usiku manheru ndakarara uti ngatitaure nyaya ndomukandopa ndagara I guess perhaps haazoti perhaps newe strawberry lips haasi wepepsi uri ndenya iwe ndotiimba maizenya uri ndenya iwe ndotiimba maizenya
mwana uri ndenya iwe wandibvungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu ndotiimba maizenya iro tisaina kuchena wakazadza mumachinu umu bebi uri ndenya iwe wandipfungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu ndotiimba maizenya iro tisaina kuchena wakazadza mumachinu umu bebi uri zenya iwe pama uri ndenya iwe bebi ndati uri zenya iwe pama uri ndenya iwe ndati uri zenya iwe pama uri zenya iwe bebi ndati uri zenya iwe uri zenya iwe ndati ndimuka ndimujenya akangondira chete toka ndabva kicheni unobvira uri gwenya iwe karapatesi kunge mugodza ndobhema biutitoisa pastikeni zvawakatakura izvozvo bring on the table ndakatotaura nanadikesi vakatisvika pachapuna then life yava stable ndinewe kudya namambo aishuga muchando ndosaka ndatsikisa musambo vetema vari kukutsvaga mapisiro awaita uri hoti wandisiya ndichimwana unaye wandipfungisa makare ndichikuda zvinhu ndotiimba maizenya iro tisaina kuchena wakazadza mumachinu umu.
Okay guys, my one. Okay, igwatire mwana. So this one guys, go check it out. This one mamanje yakafitra kuzotrenda because number one yatone 400 vanhu vatoiona zvamamanje within just 5 days. And for me that's the biggest milestone. Thank you for streaming guys. Thank you for pushing the song. Kune vari kupusha ndoziva kuti they are the real ones vari kupusha masine. Thank you for pushing. So we go to our next song is Lock and Key.
A typical Philly.
Mukationa chakamechesa ipeturu nemachisa mana andipengesawo motodedza machisamba Lock and Key isu tiri Lock and Key na baby tinenge tiri Lock and Key muchazvona asi hamuzviti kadressing ndeke kuti vabvidze Lock and Key isu tiri Lock and Key muchazvona asi hamuzviti kadressing ndeke kuti vabvidze Lock and Key isu tiri Lock and Key
Ndakada wandipengesa rudo wako wandipekeza hakuna mumwe wandodisisa wandidilibiza iwe wandinakita I'm the lock, you're the key with the purpose. Yeah.
Down. Mukationa chakamechesa ipeturu nemachisa mana andipengesawo motodedza machisamba Lock and Key isu tiri Lock and Key na baby tinenge tiri Lock and Key muchazvona asi hamuzviti kadressing ndeke kuti vabvidze Lock and Key isu tiri Lock and Key muchazvona asi hamuzviti kadressing ndeke kuti vabvidze Lock and Key isu tiri Lock and Key
Ndakada wandipengesa rudo wako wandipekeza hakuna mumwe wandodisisa wandidilibiza iwe wandinakita I'm the lock, you're the key with the purpose. Yeah. Unojibamba zirudobo Goja sekugenda wina loto Andiveda kabusia no
uchazvona asi hamuzviti kadressing ndeke kuti vabvidze Lock and Key isu tiri Lock and Key muchazvona asi hamuzviti kadressing ndeke kuti vabvidze Lock lokenki isutiri lokenki baby ngatembo vape shungu style redu isuriri tuku tukara takapeya kunge bluetooth everyday looking so new love yalonipa iri too good vese ava vana glow you are the best of the best baby you are the best from the rest let me tell him now tobuda saira tobuda bobo tichipanana mazirudo hopo vari kukuchira vanhu hopo but still siya zvimwe meters munenge makuda kupita if you touch my baby onere muri kure musamugume baby uri hot semandex asi vese ava kulume so uchazvona asi hamuzviji kadressing ndeke kuti vabvidze lokenki
I don't know Maura guys. Okay, inzwai by this bar ditabo. Hanzi baby uri hot semandex asi vese avakulume. Wow. I don't know and Shazio. But anyway guys, so these are the first 4 songs Abuda so far. All my songs are Abuda on this album, Lock and Key. So make sure you check them out. The Perera Morudo, Nobody, Denya, Lock and Key, Ese Argunakiza guys. Some they say club bangers. Club bangers, especially in Denya, then Lock and Key. Per speakers are one should listen to them on a speaker guys. This is nice. So what we are saying is Pandenya Anzi Ndenya plus midnight plus Auga always goes to madness, and I'll be like, wow, because Ndenya iri kunaka zvepafeya chep. That's why it's pulling out 400 views in just a few days, and I appreciate it because this is just a new channel that I created, and we are still growing, guys. We are still growing, and shout out to you guys, Varku Blues, Varku, because you are making this happen. Your support, and there are these times when you feel like you don't want to do this anymore, but opposed or not, those few people that support me genuinely, I should not let them down, because guys, in the Nakize, because your support is everything to me. So thank you. And Avagap, what I'm thinking, by okay, we've got this song that we made. Maybe it was 2025 or 2024. Should be early 2025. I made it with Skillful, guys. My one song here. I don't know if Skillful would want me to talk the song, but yakaipa. And I'm doing this for you, for the family, because guys, we are having a journey together. Inonzi and Gona. It's a collaboration, and there was a feature artist on this one. So listen to this.
Skillers in my one. Skillers in my one.
Shout out to people.
Darocha niri mu bedroom. Makasara mazi baby. Manya machete kwete mavechi. Black beauty ne penye wana geti. Mbona zima kusenji zima muka se iteji. Kala kanumecha mbeti.
Okay, sorry guys. Pull it up.
Skillers in my one. Skillers in my one. Darocha niri mu bedroom. Makasara mazi baby. Manya machete kwete mavechi. Black beauty ne penye wana geti. Mbona zima kusenji zima muka se iteji. Kala kanumecha mbeti. Robote uye kuma adiveti. Tepash tupa acha notideti. Bes kuna kase hapo dane roiko. Andicha kona uri baby ngoma. Uri hani ure ni mawi ange mgomba. Imondi pakis. Kisa mali. Kamisa west kisho suswa unukona. Andicha kona uri baby ngoma. Uri hani ure ni mawi ange mgomba. Imondi pakis. Kisa mali. Chekula shika wali kushira mgomba. Paita wani ma big guys. Massive drumsticks, say chicken slice. Panema hips, in my caves, in my cake eyes. I cannot believe my own eyes. Vanema, they are with zero phone size. Vanema class, and a gas, my cold eyes. Bagapeka my class, and a 4 eyes. And this is in a mashokunda go to that's nice. Vanema skin tight. But I couldn't keep a body and in a fight. This is me, one running to same side. And the chokona, only practice. Just my lips. Chamisa West, Iso Unogona, and the Chakona, Uri Baby Boma, Uri Honey, no, we are in Mugomba, Imundi Pakis, my lips, Jakuna Shikawani Fushira Mugomba.
Asi uri muzukuru Maria Msande, kana kuti ndiwe Ariana Grande, kukada pakicheni ndichavhura bande, beauty inokongorera semusiwe sande, uri ngoma, sekushaika kumapurisa kumagadhi, uchatisungisa zvandinogona, kukurukisa kuchena nekuenda auti mandinobuditsa, yese yawana vandinogwanisa, magifti maflower pandakwanisa, zvawakatakura ari okay guys, chanditambesenda besa tonge militao, aneboti nenge agas, apa handira tikone patakasi, serara tondere apakasi, akuda guys, this song would have been a banger because pakabatwa basa, both me and Skillful, but Skillful akauraya guys, to be honest. Masong wangu esena Skillful anogarajiuraya. So one thing, this one I'm not sure kuti tichaitangidza or zvatongovarana zvakadaro, but I would love for it to be on air because I'm a one. Tikanyatsoupula zvamamanje tikanyatsoitangidza yobva yarowa nechibhiti chikechi. Zvonakidza. So guys, we left with I think 14 minutes until we end this stream. Today, I mean G2G Fridays, mostly 45 minutes. Unless Kanapani a main event or routine a guest, yatoda depend online. So today we're just having 45 minutes as usual, and thanks for joining, thanks for being there, because you make this movement, you make these things work. So guys, you will tell me good Twitter song budere and ichagona because I'm a one. It's a banger. It's a banger in the air. I would want kutitita. So we have another bonus, but I'm just thinking a lot of things. We have another bonus, guys. A freestyle. So abandu uchagira ibitire kuti tinyatsorowa freestyle iribozi maora. Not this one.
But wait, this isn't how it happened.
Like a roller coaster, Apa Masini Achiposta. Yeah, bless it. Okay, from bottom. Life is roller coaster, Apa Masini Achicosta. Yeah, bless it. Video of the sound. Yeah. Damuka Maxel, Kashot prayer Nakabuda. Wearing same t-shirt and replica yesterday. And this year Kwanchabuda. But still I gotta pay all my bills epaten. Landlord ajamuka. Kunowa wechingani mwezi msinga ndiperen. Tracks anangura. Tuzandu tracks anangura. Kuti notopera day. Muwaso pasina chabuda. Working very hard. Chishaya kana send. Dombo tenza masamusa. Kurao. My mind is kurao ne mwanangu. Yeah. Kurao ne mwanangu. Yeah. Pamwe zvinombo fire pamdo varwa mti. Pamwe zvakadzora pamdo kanya mti.
bean, but then my timber fish, then my chance do chicken. Bantu penny viri, wangu wakastika bore viri rakaponja. Zvinhu zvacho zvikundita fufu. Sorry guys, but I ignore team with my drugs. Cause in this case, the number zero skank. Yeah, my greatest apology. Kanga ndakatsamwa kuti ndakwenda kucollege homes. Apa against the economy tetumbodyawo poloni. Things tetumbodyawo poloni. So guys, this song ikubuda pamberi papa. We just have to finish on Guardian Boy because atine masong but buy. We don't want to oversaturate you with songs with my vibes, because like, you know, when Dion is singing about low-key vibes, hustle vibes, hardship vibes, I'm a new different person, and I don't want to let you get that experience now before we exactly get to the time when I'm releasing these songs. So thank you for showing up, guys. We are rounding up, 5 minutes left, and I'm sure ndoutsvagirawo one song chekusara muchinzwa. And Poster mambo yazoiterera yese. I now would want you to listen to Poster the whole song because akomana vakauraya. So let's give a round of applause to Poster because it's a nice tune. And my one, it's about Poster, and I'm hungry for this. I'm hungry for the podium, guys. So don't worry, my stage.
Shut up and I'm getting the real one. Disse pra pusta, akumana disse pra pusta. Ilipatania kusha, chakuda ukupinda pa mamunya. Disse pra pusta, akumana disse pra pusta. Ilipatania kusha, chakuda ukupinda pa mamunya. Pabasa shabadara kutodari kamimus. When Masina na posta they like Antipa Mike, Rutara, my rhymes, with Makagara, Marabit. I was Shipuku, the same in Bill, Yamachara, Usadi Kujame, Uno and this big, Otominga by force, Mature, Ubo Bakos, my flows, Nili Switch, I can switch, energy drink, plus Nili Niku, one in my baby. Sema G's, I can train TJ the beat in my pena. Takazia cinema reactions and signings. Pati kusimu kama genga. Gisei kapale poster. Wala this song. Ina ibu tega kula kusuma. Disse pra posta, akumana disse pra posta. Ilipatania kusha, chakuda ukupinda pa mamunya. Disse pra posta, akumana disse pra posta. Ilipatania kusha, chakuda ukupinda pa mamunya. This is King Diva. Shout out to King Diva. Poster asinda zvima vodka nas kana wini question wangu gara weta ask niwanze pamaposta musandiwanzire gas mabhas angu akupizari kubva muflas salute makeys nemagiva ndiiseimba posta ndinogara ndakageza handife ndakadonhaina handife ndakachedza sanas sabu trip wekuwenza maface maboksi makawazi ini handinise mutori mazibalance ndikuse pamaposta ndikuratidze mamenas sound ubeki ahazi mukalati ahazi mukawati seina handina flows mapepa nemagloves handinyare ndiwanzi pamashows saluku majis sigawo kuna peace kila kuna pose chapilwa sepaposta akumana ndise paposta ilipatania kusha takuda ukupinda pamamunya ndise papusa akumana ndise papusa iripatanira kusha takuda ukupinda pamamunya
Shout out to Quincy. This is Quincy. In the dark, feeling monster. Laughing in the game, moving a roller coaster. I'm taking on my medicine, I'm trying to feel my pain. They push on the money, Lamborghini, stressing on the pain. They put money on the palm of me. Look to set a pace, and I wanna be like other baby. I'm not trying to take. Leave the tapping back on my boy, you lay hand on me. Wanna try to take a fear nobody. You when they set up a post, nigga, don't know who I am. Shaka wanna, you know, pass up all the money points. I'm rapping like a sound to prove. I'm making, I need to pay all my bills. I'm broken, I'm a non to lose. Make it up when then it's booze. I got the juice, put up a post.
ndise papusa akumana ndise papusa iripatanira kusha takuda ukupinda pamamunya ndise papusa akumana ndise papusa iripatanira kusha takuda ukupinda pamamunya.
This one is Miles, guys. Shout out to Miles. Good episode.
I'm just gonna keep my lane. Couple piece up of that thing, up that cash up of that team. Yeah, this is up a poster. Yeah, iripata nirakusha. And the takuda kupinda pamamunya. Sitting on the pole, nigga, kill name. I'm a terror for the zero when it's silver play.
This is ABZW. Shout out to AB.
Basi yopapana wame TV anituokutoto kembi leka 20 MB ekupusha music ne GB. Who let the dogs out, baby? I'm killing on the weekend, and my dogs out. Then she got remember in my hoes out. And she let you call me farmer, go my hoes out. Go my hoes out. Then she got remember in my hoes out.
Okay. So like this show is dope, guys. You should all to check it out. 6 minutes michingonakizi vachiita vakomana vairo vamabhaz with King Diva, Deon, Miles, Quincy, ABZW. This track is fire. Poster. You should check it out. It's on each and every platform. 6 minutes is a kunakirwa nengoma, guys. So this marks the end of our stream, and thank you for showing up. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for showing up. Okay, so have a good Friday, guys. I'm ending this stream. I didn't want to end it,